Namaste. Seeing your response on my first video motivated me to make another video for you for the feedback of another product that is flashing everywhere. That is the Farida Gupta clothing range. Actually, when 2-3 months back I was wanting to shop something from this site, मुझे कहीं भी बहुत proper feedback नहीं मिला था. इसलिए I'm making this video for you कि आप अगर इस site से shopping करना चाहते हो, आपको किन points का ध्यान रखना है. In my video I'll be covering about the site, where to shop from, about the products, about the prices of these products, a few shopping tricks that I followed, care instructions, and my genuine feedback about the products. So, starting about the site, all you have to do is go on Google and type Farida Gupta, follow the spelling in the description, and you will reach their site from where you can shop. The collection is for men and women both, right? And they have a very good variety of traditional wear that includes the kimonos, kurtis, dupattas, sari, and also different kind of bottoms that includes the pants, the farzis, and the normal shalwars that we use. So they have a huge variety, and the best part is the prints and the type of fabric that they are using. The prints are so beautiful and so unique that you will not find it at other places very easily. They are not very common clothes that you see every second person wearing, right? And they are hand painted and hand dyed things, so that gives them a very exclusive and a beautiful look. The fabric is super easy breezy and very comfortable to wear. It is good for the places that are super hot and humid, that includes Bombay and Ahmedabad and Malwa belt also. Like, these are the clothes that you can wear for 24 hours without feeling any kind of discomfort or unease. Even when you are wearing a traditional wear like a full-fledged suit with a dupatta or a sari, you will not find it very uneasy to move around or to stay in that pose for 24 hours. Third thing about these fabric is that is this about this site is that you can shop a whole look from there. ये usually होता है when you're buying something traditional, आपको matching का दुपट्टा नहीं मिल रहा या bottom नहीं मिल रहा, so you're running here and there looking for the perfect match. But that will not happen with this site, as you can shop a proper look from there, and this look is so versatile that you can use it actually in a 9 to 9 sense. मतलब आप उस लुक में ऑफिस भी जा सकते हो, एंड पेयरिंग इट विद द राइट एसेसरीज यू कैन गो टू अ वेडिंग in the same look. So that is the kind of versatility that these clothes have. So you can definitely give it a try for that reason. The best part about this clothing range is the size. Usually it happens with people who are short like me कि हमको bottoms order कराने पड़ते हैं, दुपट्टे बहुत लंबे होते हैं, that they're almost like a sari to us, but the size is very very appropriate and it fits properly. Like, you don't have to run after the tailor after buying something कि आप उसको नीचे से कट कराओ या ऊपर से कट कराओ, ये सब नहीं होगा. इफ़ यू फॉलो योर जनरल ब्रांड वाला जो साइज़ होता है जो आप यूजुअली पहनते हो, that will fit you perfectly. All you have to do is be very careful about buying. When you're buying, you should follow the size guide that is there on the site. About the pricing, the suits will cost you approximately above 4 to 5,000 rupees, and the saris are costing around 5,400 rupees. And I'll give you a special trick here. If you don't want to invest that much in clothes, and if you actually want to buy something for the trial purpose, there's one section called the FG Steal section. From there you can shop something where it is available on 50% discounts, and if you want to take something for a trial and see if the product is good enough to invest, or you don't want to invest that much, then wait for that product to come to the steals part, and then you can shop it for a lesser price, provided the sizes are not available sometimes in that section. So if you find something very very good, you want to buy it, you can definitely buy it at that price. And if you want to wait and see, I mean, buy it for a lesser price, you can wait for that product to come to the sales part. Now moving forward to the care instructions, definitely it is applicable to all clothes. जो भी आपके अच्छे कपड़े होते हैं, आपको उनके साथ बदतमीजी से नहीं पेश आना होता है. You have to be very careful about washing these clothes. You just can't wash them like any other clothes in your wardrobe. You have to be very conscious about them. Similar is with these products also. You have to follow their wash instructions for, and according to me, you should hand wash them with easy or comfort. And इनको try कीजिएगा कि आप घर पे ही iron करें. अगर लॉन्ड्री के लिए दे रहे हैं तो स्पेसिफिकली बोल के दें कि इनको बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म प्रेस नहीं लगानी है और बहुत गंदे तरीके से इनको वॉश नहीं करना है, हैंड वॉश ही करना है. Now, about my genuine feedback, actually these clothes are very exclusive, they are very comfortable, They are beautifully knitted. They are delivered in time within 10 days. Even in the COVID situation, they were delivering through the Blue Dart couriers and within 10 days. So it's a big thumbs up from my side to shop from this side. It is something you will not regret investing in. I will also share one package that I received today. This is the kind of packet that they send you. The product will come in this, followed by a cloth bag like this that you can use to buy vegetables or whatever you want to use it for. And the clothes is also good. Like, I have washed it twice, but I have not seen any fading issue or any kind of issue with the fabric. This is the kurta that I shopped in. You won't find such prints everywhere, and it is as it looks on the site. It is, there's no difference. And still, if you have a doubt, you can give a shot to the discounted things first and then go for the pricey things, and it's all up to your discretion. This was my feedback on the Farida Gupta. It's a big thumbs up from my side to shop from their side. And if you want any further feedback videos, you can definitely mention in the comment section. And also, if you have any other opinion about the products, you can also share that in the comment section. I will like to know it from you. Thank you so much for listening to me. Namaste.